Hello again, my friends. Welcome back. We are ready for a math lesson. Mr. Walker went back to doing his own work, so we're going to do our job for today. We are going to play a modified version of a game called Teddy Bear Picnic. So I thought first we would start with that new teen number song. This is going to take some practicing, but for writing our numbers and being able to read our numbers, this song is very helpful. So I'm going to sing the whole thing, and then we'll go back and we'll practice together. If you remember it, you can sing with me. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with the 1. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with the 1. 11 is a 1 and a 1. 12 is a 1 and a 2. 13 is a 1 and a 3. 14 1 and a 4. 15 is a 1 and a 5. 16 is a 1 and a 6. 17 is a 1 and a 7. 18 is a 1 and an 8. 19 is a 1 and a 9. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. So I want to remember my teen numbers only, not 20, 30, 40, 50, only teen numbers start with a 1. So I'm going to sing, then I want you to sing. You ready? Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. Okay, I'm going to do the talking part. I want you to solve and tell me it's a 1 and whatever the other number is, okay? Ready? 11 is a 1 and a 1. 12 is a 1 and a 2. 13 is a 1 and a, hope you said 3. 14 is a 1 and a 4. 15 is a 1 and a 5. 16 is a 1 and a 6. 17 is a 1 and a 7. 18 is a 1 and an 8. 19 is a 1 and a 9. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. Good job. Kiss your brain. I want you to remember that when I'm thinking of the number 10, and then I count on to add the next number in my teen numbers only, I'm going to drop the 0 and put in the new number to make the teen number. So my friends, today I thought we'd play a game, and we're actually going to play the school version of this during class meeting today because it's a math day. But I decided I wanted to do a challenge version. But first, I wanted to show you the regular way to play. And then if we have our class meeting this afternoon, you can choose which way you like better. Moms and dads, if your student's still working on those basic math facts of adding within 5, totally cool. We're going to do that this afternoon. If they're ready for a challenge, I'm going to show you a modified way to play using the teen numbers, okay? So this is Teddy Bear Picnic. Now let me show you my board. I made myself a little bear. At school, we have real plastic bears that we play with, and we would play this with a partner. You don't have to, but you could. So I just made myself a little bear. Miss Erin's magnets on there so I can move my piece. So here's my board. And the one we're going to play this afternoon is the real board from school. This one is not. This is just a made-up one. So there are spaces. Now let me show you the way we would have played and the way we're going to play this afternoon. These are sets within 5. So I would hold up my card or flip my card, and I'm going to solve the addition problem. 1 plus 2. That is so easy. 2 plus 1 more is how many? 3. So if I were at school and I have a much different board than this, it's a lot more spaces, I would move my bear 1, 2, 3 places. My goal is to get to the picnic. See my bear friend up there? My picnic table and my cherries and my other honey and all my snacks that I'm going to eat are up there. So I would keep moving the bear as I add up my facts. Let's try another one. 3 plus 1, another easy one. 3 plus 1 more is how many? 4. So I would move 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our board that we're going to work with later is much bigger, and you would keep going, keep going, keep going until your bear makes it to the picnic. And you would play this with a friend, and both bears would try to get to the picnic. Now I decided to change this and make it harder. We know some of our friends' brains are ready for a challenge. So We're going to play this with teen numbers. Here is the tricky part. One math fact only gets you moving one space. So it's going to take you longer on my board to get to the top. Because if I'm adding to a teen number, the game would be done in one play, and that wouldn't be very fair. So once again, moms and dads, I use just regular cards. You could cut up paper and do this. And I wrote number facts within the teen set of numbers. So it's always going to be 10, that base that we have a strong understanding about, plus that extra number within 9, because we're not going to go to 20 just yet. So I'm going to flash you the card, my friends. Your job is to use your mental math. Normally, we're explaining our thinking. Today, I want you to use mental math. And if you get it right, boop, you get to move only one space. It's a challenge job, okay? And we're going to go and see if we can make it to the top. Okay, first one. Let's read it. 10 plus 8. Now, here is how I want to think about this. I used to say to my friends in my old class, smash the number. So I've got 10. Smash that into your brain. 10. Now count on, I'm going to go up to 8. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I know this is 8 fingers. So I've made it to 18. What's the sum? 18. I got it right. My bear gets to move one place. Can I move him 18 places? Not in this version. He gets to move once, okay? Because it's the challenge version. All right, next card. Read it. 10 plus 1. So easy. Smash the 10. 10. 11. What's my answer? 11. So he gets to move one time. Not 11 times, just one time. Just for this version of the game. Okay, next one. Let's read. 10 plus 2. Okay. 10, 11, 12. I held up 2 fingers because that add in there is a 2. So 10, 11, 12. What's my answer? My sum? 12. Bingo. I can move him one time. He's getting closer. Building my math muscles. Read. 10 plus 7. Okay. Here's another hint, my friends. We do this with our 10 frame. Our brain just automatically knows it. How many fingers are on one hand? 5. So after I'm done counting that, I know 5 of what I'm counting is done, and then I use my hand for the rest. So 10 plus 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I've got 7 fingers up. What number did I finish with? 17. My sum is 17. Good job. Mr. Bear gets to move. Now, moms and dads, if you're finding that doing that way of counting, they're having trouble keeping track and they just keep using fingers over and over again, get out a number line. And then we would do it the way where we start on the 10 and they would count a hop forward 7 and see where they land. That's another resource. We have all kinds of different resources at school. We want to provide those at home as well if we can. Okay, next one. Let's read. 10 plus 5. Okay, so I've got 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 15. I'm going to move my bear one space. Okay. Read. 10 plus 3. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? 13 is my sum. Now, I'm out of cards, and this happens at school sometimes. And my friends say, I'm done, I'm done. No way, Jose. The bear's got to make it to the picnic. So I'm going to shuffle, and I'm going to play again with what I have. Helps me practice my math facts. Ready? 10 plus 1, 10, 11. What's the sum? 11. Oh, my goodness, Mr. Bear, you've got 2 more spaces till you make it to your picnic. Let's read. 10 plus 8. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What's the total? What's the sum? 18. Boop. Okay, we have 1 more time to go. Oh no, 2 more times, and then we will be finished. Read. 10 plus 7. Let's go. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What number did I say last? 17 is my sum. Okay, Mr. Bear, let's see if your friends can do it. This is the last one. 10 plus 2. Ready? 10, 11, 12. What's the sum? 12. Ooh, 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 ooh. You fell, Mr. Bear. Ooh, 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 ooh. He made it to the picnic. He's at the top. So moms and dads, this is a board you could make at home. Like I said, this is not the Baltimore County version. The Baltimore County version does it within, your sets of 5, because we don't want to offer these big numbers and then they're going to count too many to get on the board. So we're going to play this version during our class meeting today. But if you are noticing that your student is getting so good with those basic number facts within 10, we want to move on to those teen numbers. Does it have to be done with 10 plus a number? No. If you think they're ready, you could do 9 plus 8, 4 plus 7. If you think that they're able to do those numbers and combine them. I know some of my friends have such strong mental math that could be very helpful. So my friends, this is the challenge version. We're going to play the regular school version today, and I have a really cool board that Miss Staub made that we're going to use to play the game during class meeting today, okay? So I will see you at 1:30 for our class meeting. It will be math, and then we will have small groups. I love you, and I will see you soon. Mwah.